नमस्कार, मैं हूं अखिलेश मिश्रा रिपोर्ट से। आज हमारी मुलाकात डॉक्टर स्वामी विश्वानंद भैरवनाथ जी से हो रही, जो संस्था के सक्रिय सदस्य भी हैं और आंध्र प्रदेश से हैं। हम इनसे जानते हैं कि जो आगे जो परिषद प्रत्याशी उतारने जा रहा है, किन उद्देश्यों के साथ प्रत्याशी उतारने के लिए मैदान में आप लोग आए हैं।
ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। I am Dr. Swami Viswasananda Bhairavaнаth. In connection with Gurudev Ji since last more than 2 decades, one big thing has come out to youth like us is to go ahead with the Ramarajya kind of ruling and the best attributes of the Satya Sanatan Dharma. Here we have seen many parties, many people, many sants, many panths, but now there is a totally a divide of two things in the world, rather mostly you can see in India, is that government supporting gurus and government opposing gurus. Here when we say opposing, it's not opposing. We want what we have promised to be done, to come out to make people more powerful, empowered with lot of natural resources. Thereby nobody can be really thrashed out, or that kind of old word of form we used to hear, the Antyodaya. Actually there is nothing called like a poor or poverty, at least in this Bharatakand. But such a great culture, such a great historical manuals we never been followed, and now all have become the followers of the Western culture. And as Guruji very clearly told, earlier we had a company formed government, now it is a corporate supported governments and it's government supporting companies. This kind of corporate governance cannot be done. Maybe in business it's okay, or maybe the profit oriented business has to run like that, but running the country is not like a business, or it's not a business house. It has to be exactly grow as Bhagwan Ram said, or great gurus said, Chanakya said, and the same way the how the formation of Ram Rajya has to happen, it has to happen. There is no other way. Whether it has to come now or later, one day it has to come, and why not now? That is our way of going, and lot of parties, lot of groups are joining us, supporting us, thanking you people coming way long from Kanpur to take our bites, and we are very much indebted to you. The same way, this morning we got a support from Japan, we got support from European Union. There are people looking forward to this kind of culture. As I have moved 67 countries, I belong to a very educated family. My great grandfather Vishweshwar Shastri was affirmed by then governance as Rao Sahib, and my grandfather 1924 batch of ICS, and who was the first Indian commissioner of first Indian municipality of India, that is Machilipatnam, my native place, near to Vijayawada. And it's very pride moment to say that my grandfather was the co-student and a classmate of the great Subhash Chandra Bose. I too had a very good support from his daughter Anita Bose in Heidelberg University, Germany, from where I did my Sigma 6. Having great family background, I had a very nice education. Up to 10th I had with the Nirmala Convent with Mother Teresa, and after having taken the best outgoing student award, then with a lot of Guru's blessings, I did my IIT Chemical Engineering from Chennai, Madras IIT, and then campus selected by Glaxo Fine Chemicals. As regional manager, I went to Singapore. Then when I completed my MBA from Charles Stewart University, Melbourne, I was being literally kidnapped by Johnson & Johnson as general manager. I was at Mulund Johnson & Johnson office for almost 2 years. Then I've been promoted to international responsibility for launching new products at Cincinnati and New Brunswick. But having come to know, is my education is only confined to this kind of chemical thing of spoiling the nature? Then I stopped my that kind of chemical and going into the Johnson & Johnson's Ethicon Futures. Now this Johnson & Johnson is preparing the vaccine from the calf's serum and blood. How pathetic it is. What a big crime it is. And now we are killing more cows than earlier. If we are 10 years back, we were at the 21,000 crores exporters of the beef. Today more than 50,000 crores. And we are the number one in beef export. So what a shame it is. And Brazil comes to second. Are we here to supplement the protein in the form of cow flesh? It should be really a shame to me, shame to India, shame to Bharat and every youth of this country, this world. That's why we have, along with me, a lot of other good group following our great Guru Parampara, Srimad Dharmadatta Ji Maharaj Ji. And now, after that, my MBA, I had my 3 doctorates, one from All India Management Association, IMA, Delhi, Lodi Road. My topic was the strategic management in changing scenario. The same thing strategy now I have to follow and I am doing it. In the political scenario. That time I was in the industrial scenario, now political scenario. We day by day losing the respect of the word. It was like a first booster when we got that yoga day in 2015. But is it happening now? No. Nobody is really following the yoga day now. It is almost finished. We are just making some kind of postures of dog and donkey and taking that it's a yoga. No. Ashtanga yoga is different. Physical is only 1% or 2% part of it in the Ashtanga yoga. We have to say that. We have to tell the people about this. And this Vedic knowledge, along with Ayurveda, it has got a long way to go, and it so far has brought Bharatakande, Bharatavarshe, Jambu Dweepe up to this part, and it will still take moreover long way. But as we have decided 10 years back, along with Rajiv Dixit, he is from Kanpur IIT, I was from Chennai IIT. We had more than 130 IITians and IIMs joined together. We have thought of very big things of politics and all. But a sad demise of Rajiv Dixit and lot of other friends being either killed or died in accidents or any other natural calamities. So our team is a little down. But after again rejoining back with the Guruji, we feel regenerated and we feel we have a guidance now to go ahead, and we are very strong enough. All these parties, whomsoever have a good minds to think, they will definitely join us. And now also a lot of countries been following and taking our advisory. So I strongly feel this will be done, and our small line will become big line, and with all the Gurus and Saptarshis Ashirwad, Om, Om, Om.
अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।